Most of us are living in a state of constant neural exhaustion, trapped in a loop of cheap dopamine and infinite scrolling that has effectively fried our ability to experience genuine peace or deep focus. But today we are going to perform a deliberate dopamine reset here at the Digital Sanctuary to reclaim your biological sovereignty and restore your neural baseline. But first, if you want to know the best posture for visualization or meditation, click on the link in the description. So I want you to sit comfortably and close your eyes, feeling the weight of your body against the chair as you take a deep, conscious breath in. And as you exhale, I want you to imagine all the digital noise and notifications as a gray, static fog leaving your system. Notice how your brain has been craving the next hit of stimulation, but right now, we are providing it with absolute presence. Visualize your neural pathways as delicate glowing threads that have been dimmed by overstimulation. As the 432 Hz frequency begins to resonate through your ears, see a cooling wave of deep violet light washing over these threads, cleaning away the residual static of the digital world. This is a recalibration of your reward system, allowing your prefrontal cortex to come back online and take control over your impulses. Breathe into the silence between my words and feel the tension in your jaw and forehead simply dissolve. Give yourself permission to be bored, because in this boredom lies the seed of your future focus. Stay with this feeling of emptiness for a moment, realizing that you do not need to do anything to be valuable. You are simply returning to your factory settings, clean, focused, and unshakable. And now that your dopamine levels are beginning to stabilize, you are ready to move into a state of high-performance clarity. Take one last deep breath to lock in this sense of neural peace, and as you open your eyes, notice how much brighter and clearer the world appears when you aren't chasing the next distraction. You have successfully reset your system, and you are now ready for the day ahead. If you enjoyed this meditation, please subscribe and leave a comment. To deepen your practice, follow the link in the description to join the Digital Sanctuary. Have a beautiful day, afternoon, or night. Remember, the sanctuary is always within you.